Okay, I'm gonna go quick because I'm lazy. This tutorial is for how to create this gradient that goes down and back up and around the entire avatar if you want to. The only thing it can't do is cross over itself. So you create a Bezier circle, just a tiny one down there, and then you create a Bezier curve. This one goes right around the entire avatar. I'm gonna delete that to show you that it is just a curve and it doesn't need to be perfect. It just has to go around the entire avatar wherever you want, really. And then you come in here, come into the data tab, open up geometry, open bevel, select object, and then select the Bezier circle we created earlier. Start to end mapping, go to this value. You know, you can make it shorter if you want, but why would you bother doing that? And then you create a material shading. And then you do this. Grab a texture coordinate, UV, put it into mapping vector, and then you rotate it like so. X90, Y 135, C 0. And then for scale, you're basically gonna have to like play with how short or how long this is because it sometimes breaks. And then you put a color ramp and just set it to linear because you want it to be like straight smooth. I guess you can do other things depending on how you want the gradient to move. And another trick I like to use is to put this at 0.999. Grab another one, put it over here, and then make it red. And now you can visualize this scale where the gradient ends and where it is solid red at the end. So having done that, I can delete that. And now you select the tube that you made, you select your avatar, and then you go over to Bake tab, Bake Diffuse, and then disable Direct, Indirect, only have color. You select it to active, and then you might need to fiddle with these numbers. I'll let you see what happens if you don't do it correctly. Then you, in your main body material, you create a scratch texture. I just call mine gradient, however size, whatever size you want. And then you unhook it first because otherwise Blender will complain. Select this and then bake. And now we wait. And if you have way too much ray distance, it will start to affect other things badly. So you want the ray distance to be relatively low. I guess 0.1 or even less should be fine. It depends on your avatar. It depends on what you're trying to bake. You can see this is basically perfect. Just a tiny bit of overlap there, but that's nothing MS Paint can fix. And now you have your perfect gradient. That's pretty much it.